See, Tessie. She's gonna prove to you what she does in the mornings. See? She wants loving. But when I get home, Bristles, over here, come on. You see that? But when I get home, she'll go and run. Silly cat. Yes, you are. You're a silly cat. Anyway, just thought I'd show you. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now she's pissed off. Are you tired of me already? Are you tired of me already? You gonna bite me now? You gonna bite me? You gonna bite me now? Look. There she goes. Crazy kid. Look. She's out of control. She just bit me. Bristles, you're out of control.